Myself B Jashwanth, I am from Andhra Pradesh, from Kurnool district. I completed my undergraduation in Dr. K.V. Subbareddy College, and I completed my diploma in civil engineering in Dr. K.V. Subbareddy College, and I completed my schooling in Kurnool district. Even though I am from non-IT from the civil engineering background, I want to switch into the IT company, so I took a decision and come to the IT sector because there is no growth in the civil engineering where I did my last 2 years in civil engineering. So I want to switch myself in the IT background and develop myself. So I take decision to come into the IT sector. So I heard about the QSPIDERS. Here we can expand our knowledge and explore ourselves. And I learned many things from here with the help of the presentation, mock readings, and here the trainers are very helpful to us where they can implement our knowledge, and especially Ramya ma'am, Varun sir and Riza sir, they helped me a lot, and thank you much.